Hi, this is Lynn and Colin of Nest Presales, and we're here today at the sales center for Rain by Wesgroup. This is a new high-rise project in Metrotown. You'll see there's two stunning towers. One of them is 35 stories and the other is 38 stories. The amenities are amazing and the interior design is sexy. So we're really happy to show you the project today.
So in the 2-bedroom display suite, you're going to find this amazing pantry wall, which is a really, really unique feature in condos. I don't really ever see this. A continuation of the kitchen in the same cabinet color, whatever you choose. This is the dark scheme. And just gives you really useful space. I mean, you can see a Dyson in there even. Thanks for joining Lynn and I on this tour of the Rain display suite. Please reach out to Lynn or myself at Nest Presales to set up your VIP preview of this amazing project.